Konrad Kia Sangma Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya haringkat uba Preston Tensong usembut Menteri Rangba haka pratare gulber arajar arpun riu kila wanyakran bat ukiran rijiju Menteri Sarkar India ubadai pet ya katanat Minority Affairs halor ke jingwan ra ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arajar khat riu kabatmu ban bu kendon halor ke jingbei pisa na shabari ya ki kenhun ya ki senjok bat ki company ha India. Hakajinga kendo bat do rijiju nalor Menteri Rangba baru sembut Menteri Rangba laidon lang daki bami khmat na ka Catholic Bishops Conference of India CBCI bat kiwei ki dukhat. Kini ka kenhon ka kentop yo President CBCI His Eminence Anthony Cardinal Pula bat Secretary General Most Reverend Anil Joseph Thomas Kuto. Hakajinga kran ka kenhon kala kedau ya ki benta bakong san bala Treikam haki benta puli puthi ka kot ka khia bat ki kam Treimon ngobha de ki kenhon hakeleng ka jela bat hakathai North East Barokaway kham tam haki jaka bajngai bat ki jaka nongkendong. Laong babun na ki kenhon ki de ki bala Beijing Arab pisa dau senyang na sabari hakabaki kelalong pat ki jingarap keliang ya ki bedok bekerdo bat yarap ruban kentiu lang yakaroi kapar. Nalor kini ke kenhon kalai kran halor ki kendon ki bala terwa hakatai ka amendment bill ki badan jinga dei ber ke jingkni no ya ki Jingdon Jingem ki bala pen pau jing sngo khia da ki Khristan bat ki kenhon Treimon ngobha ban kentiu ya ka emlang sa lang. Dak bapen te bau kiran rijiju ulas ngap ha ya ki jing pen pau sngo khia da ka kenhon Menteri Rangba ule thoru bau Menteri Sarkar India uloong bandan ka jinga merjing mut bat ka jingit banya ka bakham yar haswa ban shem ya karai.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA amendment bill. And we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honourable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honourable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns. And we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya